Alright, so we're doing some testing of the new Panasonic BGH1 box cameras. So we're starting to work on getting it set up in an array. This is a 3-camera array. It's designed to go on a gimbal. We will be getting Genlock going, not quite there yet, but right now we have the Tether app. So right now one camera is plugged in SDI to this TV Logic monitor. The 3 cameras are all being powered over Power over Ethernet Plus through this little switch, which is pulling its power from a 12 to 48 volt converter. That's this little guy right here. It is currently pulling, 3 cameras are powered up, and we're pulling just over 2.35 amps at 12 volts. So that's being bumped up to 48 volts by the converter, which is what's needed for the power over Ethernet. So you've got the 3 cameras plugged in, and then the laptop. So the laptop running the Multicam Windows remote or remote software on Windows, and we now have the ability to control each camera independently. So we can control cameras one at a time or all cameras. So right now we're working with all cameras. So what that means is we can switch our live feed to a different camera, and the 3rd camera. So what that means is you're seeing the SDI monitor is showing you one camera, and the computer monitor is showing you another camera. So now if I switch white balance settings, you'll be able to see that those settings are being adjusted on both cameras at the same time. Likewise, if we change exposure, you'll see the exposure on both cameras change at the same time. So essentially, using the app now, we're treating all 3 cameras as a single unit, as a single system, which for array work is amazing. And likewise, we can hit the record button. So rolling all 3 cameras at the same time, you'll get your rolling status indicator in the upper right. You can stop them all at the same time. So they're now truly being controlled as one single camera. And then something that's really neat is being able to take the settings of one camera So let's say we've made some menu changes to the first camera here. We can save that out as a data file. So let's just save it over this one. We'll just resave it. And now I can restore that data file to an individual camera or to all cameras. So by sending it to all cameras, we can load that data file, open it, and we have just loaded all of those settings across all cameras on the array. Pretty great.